Good morning. Happy Tuesday. It's a Tuesday here in Kingston, Jamaica. And the girl is at her mom. She's gonna do some washing. It's literally 12:43 right now, and it would have made sense to go to the laundromat instead of here, but we saving money, we on a budget. So we're gonna watch my brother passing. Yeah. So I'm gonna be washing by mom right now. So let's go in.
Nobody told you this before, but you outshine the sun. The type that I've been looking for. I've seen you inside my dreams. So baby, come a little closer. Know that you are the only one. I wanna see your body move.
So I'm finished for the day. Clothes are washed, clothes are on the line. I'm gonna have to come back to my mom's place tomorrow to pick them up, but that's okay. It is after 5 in the afternoon. I'm gonna head home. I don't have any dinner to eat, so we're gonna have to get some fast food. Yeah, there's no time for cooking because I would have to go to the supermarket to pick up stuff to cook, and it's just not gonna work. It's just not lining with my study time right now. So the best thing to just get fast food. I'm thinking burger, so I may get what is called, I would love me some salmon burger, but the salmon burger is all the way up Ligani Sovereign, in Sovereign Mall. If you're in Kingston, you know Sovereign right up there, so that's not gonna work for me. It's all the way up there, and it's traffic, it's high time traffic. Like, I'm just not gonna do it. So I'm gonna do KFC barbecue zinger, or I'm gonna do Popeyes chicken. Yeah. And here's the kicker. I don't have my purse. I came on the road without any purse, so no money, no driver's license, no nothing. So let's hope I'm not gonna be stopped by a police, because I'm gonna get a big fat ticket. And so I'm basically gonna have to head home, go for my purse, and then come back on the road to get the food. But either way, it's more quicker than going to the supermarket, taking my own time in the supermarket, and then coming home and cook. That's gonna run me all the way to after 8, and we're not gonna do that. So guys, what a week. What a week. I am tired. I am beat. I went to bed after 2 a.m. in the morning. Last night I was studying, and then after I finished study, I was just watching Reel Shorts. Do you guys watch those the Reel Shorts app? Do you guys go on that and watch the shows? I get so, can you guys see me? Yeah, I get so irritated. Like, I really and truly get irritated with these short movies, because you know you're gonna have to watch the ads to get points, and then they drag out the goddamn short movie. It's so annoying, but it's so good. But either way, it's the same repetitive it's so repetitive.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Repetitive. The storyline is so repetitive, but I'm like, yeah, we still gotta watch, because it's so just entertaining, and it gets you so mad, because like, idiot, you listen to people that beat you up. Like, girl, like, Reel Shorts stress me out. I watch Reel Shorts app, I download the drama box, and I think there's another one, Shorts, I think it name or something along that line. But those short movies stress me the hell out. So I was watching that after I finished study, just to relax. Enough of the chatting, but yeah, I'm actually just gonna, I'm just gonna head home right now and just have some food. I may just end the vlog today, because tomorrow is Friday, right? But I'm not gonna be vlogging, and for the entire weekend I will be home studying. So there's nothing really to show you guys much else in this vlog, just like just a simple day-to-day stuff of what I do. So it's just a simple week in my life vlog, basically living my life in Kingston. living alone too. I think I want to start with my living alone diaries. I think I want to do that. Not yet. But we do have some plans coming up, but everything is just gonna be done like latter part in the year, and we see how things go and progress. But anyways, I'm gonna head out right now. I'm gonna turn about the AC because I am getting heated, and we'll chat, guys. All right, we grabbed our purse, so I'm just gonna head to KFC. If the line long, may I go Popeyes? I just praying they have barbecue singer. It's 5:53 right now, and I just want to eat, and I'm gonna eat, shower, then just jump into studying. Did you guys know, if I tell you guys I had lunch today, I'm lying on myself. I only had an egg sandwich, probably like around after 11 in the morning. 12 o'clock I had breakfast, and that's it for today, and it's 5:33, so you guys know that I'm starving as usual. Oh my god, I need to stop doing this. But anyways, let me just head into KFC right now. Hurry up! I'm curious to be man. Guys, why do I even bother? Why do I even bother? Hold up. Lucky thing homegirl was outside taking the order by a tablet, because I would have been in the line waiting like an idiot. So with their KFC sandwich, I only like the barbecue singer. They ain't got it. Jesus Christ. Jerk chicken would have probably been like the best healthy-ish alternative right now. I'm just gonna go to Popeye. Island Grill would be good too, you know. Yo, sometimes Island Grill is so expensive. I don't want juice because I don't have any juice at my house. I'm just gonna stick with the Popeyes and so yeah, I'm gonna do Popeyes. I'm pulling up right now. Like every time I want thingy, every time I want Popeyes, it just doesn't work out, guys. Like legit, like I could have feel it with this. I felt it that I wasn't gonna get what I wanted at KFC. No! Listen. Oh my god, they are the worst. Okay. Oh, I thought I heard somebody. Let me see how much cash I have. Hello? Hello? Oh, I thought someone was talking. May I have a 2-piece chicken combo, Coke? Can I get 1 mild, 1 spicy? You have sweet tea sauce?
Yes.
Can I have a sweet tea sauce, please?
And that's it?
Yes, ma'am.
Flavor drink.
Coke?
1,195. Come on.
Okay, thanks. My phone is supposed to be tracking my face, but it doesn't look clear. All right, let me see how much cash I got. I have enough cash. I am starving. Legit starving. And you see, Popeye's line, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's either 4 or 5 cars ahead of me. With KC line, it was like almost 10 cars ahead. Oh my god, I really wanted the singer. Oh, I could have gone to Burger. You know what? But Burger King is like Burger King is further. But I would have definitely had some KFC, some BK Burger King. Or better yet, I should have just gone to the supermarket and bought me some rotisserie chicken. Because this money can buy rotisserie chicken. I will have food for today and tomorrow. So no, tomorrow I'm gonna have to figure out dinner again. So it's either I'm gonna cook tomorrow Friday. Or get fast food again. But yeah, I am just thinking I could have just gotten like a half chicken in the supermarket. But it's all right. We move. Just know that I'm starving. But what a week, guys. My exam is Mondays and Tuesdays. So today's Thursday. Remember, I have exam Monday and Tuesday. So it's just right around the corner. So I'm really hoping that I do well on this exam. And I won't get back the results till months after. That's a crazy thing. I'm going to get back in the runs probably during summertime, which is so crazy. Very long. But it's okay. Just wish me good luck in the comments so I can pass my exam. And I will see you in another video somewhere. Hopefully I'm on a different island or in a different country. A joke. I don't have any plans now. I don't have any immediate plans yet to go on vacation, but just know the vacation is required. By the way, we need to probably do like updates, but I mean, you know, in the next vlog we'll just talk and I'll drop the updates here and there for you guys, because I'm trying to change my channel really, because my channel is just not performing. And one thing, you know, us humans are gonna use these days is ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT and ChatGPT was saying that I'm just doing like random stuff. I need to narrow down my content and niche it. And maybe try that. Really keep my vlog simple. I'm gonna mostly try to do home stuff. Well, I'm not gonna do home stuff yet until, because I really need to get into upgrading my space. So I'm probably just gonna be doing this content, my everyday life. This is literally my everyday life, guys. When you see me go out on a weekend, that's what I do. When you see me stay home, like, that's what I do. You know what I'm saying? So I just know that my space, I need to upgrade my space. I did tell you guys, like, you know, it's on the list to move next year. But for now, we still want to upgrade our space. So there's a lot of stuff I want to get, but that's not gonna happen right now. And then the next thing, I don't want to get it, but I'm like somebody, I want to be comfortable, and right now I just think there's certain stuff I want to fix. It's not even fixed, I just get some stuff. I want to get some portraits, stuff like that. So I'm gonna work on that in the coming months, to let my space feel a little more homey. It is definitely not homey, it's just a plan like an unseasoned chicken, and we can't have that. But yeah, I'm definitely looking into back to ChatGPT. Yeah, it says that, you know, my channel is just very random, and YouTube don't know who to show my content to. So it's basically telling me to stick to, you know, certain niches or whatever. They do it. It does say, ChatGPT says it realizes I'm a lifestyle content vlogger and, you know, whatever. But also for my small YouTubers who are watching my channel too, ChatGPT said the titles that we're using, like day in my life, like that, it's just too common basically. And yeah, basically if I say YouTube not gonna recommend my channel like that, but we just use day in my life, whatever, like those, you know, constant titles, because mostly, you know, the bigger content creators are gonna, you know, YouTube is gonna push out. But the algorithm, I just feel like it just puts you where it won't put you. Honestly, I think my content is good. Like, I really do good at editing and find music. I pay for music. This is another thing. Oh my god, let me go on a rant right now. I don't want to talk about this in another video, but I'm gonna talk about it now, and then probably next time I talk about it. YouTube, because sometimes I use music from Soundcloud and I'm getting copyright left, right, and center for one specific song. We're gonna play 5 seconds right here, so
What you doing?
yeah, that don't use it. I'm actually gonna remove it from my SoundCloud too. If you guys in the links, my SoundClouds are there. Just follow me. I did add some music that you can use, but you know, you still have to test those music for yourself before you fully use them in your vlogs. But yeah, me I get copyright left, right, and center for that one specific song. I have the vlogs from 2 years ago, a year ago, so they're coming for me. So I'm really trying to minimize using SoundCloud vlogs, because I don't want to, when I'm really making money on YouTube, they come for my money. So I'm gonna just start using, if you guys don't know, I use all of those soft music, jazz, piano music, I get it from Epidemic Sound. And my referral link is in the bio, so just click that referral link and then sign up. There's 30 days, I think it's 30 days free trial, and after that you pay. It's very expensive. It's $18 a month. By the way, when I first started using it, it was not $18. It was way less than that. So they have changed their price over the time, but they're really music. You really have to search deep down in it to find good music. But what I'm gonna do, so let's click on my referral code, use it, and if you really want some nice background soft music, even if you don't want soft music, so they do have hip hop, all type of different genres of music there. So I would recommend just using something like that, or there's another one called Freematic or something like that. But with Freematic, you have to add the link of the song in your video. For Epidemic Sound, you don't have to add any links. Just once you have your Epidemic account, you add your YouTube channel, your Instagram, all your social media platforms, so it doesn't copyright you. So I love Epidemic Sound. I love it. It's costing me around $3,000 something JMD per month, but it helps my channel. So I'm gonna really start using that as opposed to SoundCloud, because this copyright thing, I don't want to go through it every minute. And I know that specific song, I've used it in so many of my vlogs, because I know more notifications gonna come in that, hey, there's a copyright on your video. So to avoid all of that, I'm gonna start use Epidemic Sound straight, or the Freematic. If I'm not saying it correctly, I'll just put the name on it. Use that straight to just avoid all the nonsense. But yeah, that's my little mini rant. It's not really a rant, it's just me telling you guys. But yeah, support my channel, guys, by liking, comment, share it. My Instagram, I really want to grow my Instagram and my TikTok, so please go ahead and follow me. Like, if you guys want me to follow you back, just send me a DM on Instagram or TikTok to say, hey, I'm coming from your YouTube channel, can you give me a follow back? And I'll do it. Like, we want to grow. I need to grow. Anyways, my battery is low too. So again, I appreciate you guys for watching this weekly vlog, and I will see you in another video at another time. Bye bye.